Hi, I'm John Ulliman, and I've been building websites and showing others how to build them for almost 20 years now. In this video series, I'm here to show you how to create web pages and sites using HTML5 and CSS. HTML is the markup language used to format and display content for the web, and it's the basis for almost all content we surf for on our computers and mobile devices today. HTML5 is the newest version of HTML, and it represents new features and improvements from HTML4 and the other previous versions before it. At the time of this recording, HTML5 is really still a draft, meaning it's not an official release, but a lot of the features and structures are already available in today's modern browsers, so we can start to take advantage of it now as we create websites. And it will also make our sites ready for more HTML5 advanced features as new browsers are released that support it. Today's websites use a lot of different technologies to deliver the rich content we see on the page. You could use JavaScript and jQuery for interactive and animated elements, or PHP or ASP scripts to integrate data applications. Or you could add rich streaming media like audio and video. But it's important to note that all of these technologies rely on and are built on top of a solid HTML and CSS foundation. So learning this will set you up for whatever you want to do on the web. This course will teach you how to use HTML5 and CSS to create web pages and whole sites. Each chapter in the series will teach you something new, and step by step, we'll build this actual website you see here from scratch using only a text application and a browser as our creation tools. I've even included a finished version of the site here in the Working Files folder that you can use as reference. Just open up the index page in your browser here, and you can explore it anytime you want. The site has easy-to-read content, pictures and tables of data. The menu bar is active and links out to other pages. There's a contact form and a link to a video page. This set of lessons begins with the basics, so you don't need to know anything about HTML or CSS to get started. Each chapter will have some examples using very basic files so you can understand each element as we create it. And then we'll practice what we've learned and build our own website project. It won't look like the finished one here at first, but we'll be assembling it piece by piece as you work through the chapters. Now, we won't be covering every little detail of HTML coding, but by the end of the series, you should know more than enough to start creating websites and exploring more on your own. As we go along, I'll try to give you some advice about good web design, and I'll be adding some technical hints and tips that I've learned in my own projects. So let's get started.